It will be worse, eh? That's what they were saying. They said that the car was almost submerged.
I'm telling you. 87.
Yeah. I do. White one. White one.
This happened on the Keshi-Nungwa stretch. You can see the building. The roof of the building went off due to the wind from the rain. Yes, it landed on 2 cars. You can see 1 car under the roof in there. Yeah? It's very, very serious. Very, very serious. So those using the Keshi-Nungwa stretch, you are warned. You slow down. Because this is what is happening right now. There causes a lot of traffic on the road. Yes, the roofing of that building. You can see you can see 1 car over there. Currently, they are trying to rescue some people from the car. Yeah, people are trapped under it. Yeah, it has caused a lot of problems on the road. You can see the taxi over there. The taxi has also been affected. Yeah. So you can see the pictures for yourself. There's that taxi over there. It landed on that. So help me share this video so that people be aware, those using that stretch.
For more news, please visit our website graphic.com.gh or follow us on Facebook at Daily Graphic and on YouTube and Twitter at GraphicGH.
Subscribe now.